Hello, welcome to City Money. Today I'll be showing you how to buy USDT using Bybit P2P market, and this is live, guys. I'm going to be buying it live in this video, so make sure you watch the process. So now I'm in my Bybit interface. I'll just click on this P2P trading here. So I'll click on it. So because the amount I want to buy is 10,000 naira, I'll just make use of this amount section and put in the amount to filter sellers. So I'll just put in 10,000. Then here I'll click on confirm so that to bring filter sellers. Okay, you can see this person limit is this Zoya is selling 10,000 to 19,000. The limit is 10,000 to 19,000, and he's currently online. And the rating is 99%. Done 417 orders. So I'll just click on buy bank transfer. So I'll just click on buy. Then here I'll just put in the amount again, 10,000 naira. Then here is saying I will receive $6.67. So I'll just click on buy. So I'll just because he's online, I don't need to message him. I'll just click on pay now. Once I click on pay now, they will bring all the details. So this is the name, Peter. The bank name is Pampy. So I'll just copy the account number, then go back to my OPay account and make the payment. So I'll just click here, make the payment. Then I'll select the bank, Pampay. So the number is not complete. So let me copy it again. Okay, come back here. I don't know why. Okay, 7294. So Peter Ogungolo. So 857294. So everything is complete. So I'll just click on next, Pampay. Then I'll put in the amount, 10,000 naira. Click on confirm. Please don't write any crypto related word while making your payment. Then I'll pay. So OPay trying to confirm me. I'll click on continue. So they'll process the payment. So I'll just screenshot my receipt. Now go back to Bybit, then click on payment completed. Then here they will ask me this bank this. I will click on I understand. I confirm that I will pay using an account with my legal name. So then click on confirm. So now I've already paid, so I've confirmed that I have paid. So here I'll just contact the seller, tell the seller that I have paid. He should release. Please release the order. I have paid. So now we'll have to wait for the seller to release. So you see where I clicked on to message the seller. Here that is showing contact seller. That's where I clicked. So now let's wait for the seller to release. So pending coin release. So the seller is going to release the coin very soon. And guys, along this process, okay, now the person has released the coin. You can see completed, received 6.6 USDT. So guys, when you're doing this, make sure that you don't release. If you're buying, make sure when you pay you keep your receipt, guys. It's very, very important, so that in case if there's any issue that comes up, don't so that you use the evidence, the receipt, to prove yourself. So now you can see this is done. This is done, guys. I'll just click on done here if I want to, but I want to show you something before that. So in case you open an order and your phone switched off, once you're on P2P interface like this, look down here, orders, just tap on it, then you will see your order here. Once you tap there, you will see your order. Do you get? You see all the orders you've done before, and you see the one that is active. So some people used to be afraid once maybe their phone switch off or something happen or they are out, they start looking for the trade, the order they placed, and maybe sometimes they have gone ahead to make payment already. So you don't have to panic, it's already there even though you go out of the interface. So that's what I wanted to show you. Then now if you come to the home page, you can see now total asset is $6.69. If you come here under funding, it's there. That's how to buy USDT on Bybit. So guys, make sure you follow the same step. In my next video, I will do a live video on how to sell your USDT. So make sure you watch it, how to sell your USDT on Bybit. And again, I'll also do a video on how to buy cryptocurrency or crypto coins on Bybit. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure you smash the like button, make use of the comment section. If you have asked me any crypto related question, I will always answer you. That's my work, guys. That's my work. And again, if you haven't joined my other channels, the link will be in the description of this video. Make sure you join my WhatsApp channel, especially because very soon that my WhatsApp channel will be the only channel I'll be using apart from my Telegram channel. I'll be using that WhatsApp channel very well. I'll be using it very it will be very active, more than other channels that I have. So make sure you join that my WhatsApp channel, guys. The links are in the description. All my social media platforms, the links are in the description. And make sure you turn on your notifications to all, so that you'll be the first to get notified each time I drop videos. Some people say I no longer get your videos. It's because you subscribed but you didn't turn your notifications to all. So whenever I upload a video, you only you can't see it because there's a way the algorithm works. So guys, make sure you always share my videos. Make sure you always like my videos. It really goes a long way to help this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and guys, see you in my next video.